Hey, what is going on, everyone? This is Ake here. Welcome to my Graphydo review. We are going to take a close look at Graphydo, and also, most importantly, I'm going to be revealing the high value custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you the best results with Graphydo, which goes live on the 14th of November by 11 a.m. Eastern Time. So in a nutshell, Graphydo gives you access to your own social media agency toolkit. Now, this comes with thousands of done for you templates. Now, so many people are not professional graphic designers, and even if you want to sit down to create professional graphic designs, the type that can easily get people's attention and then you can use to drive traffic from any social media platform, it's probably going to take you hours upon hours to be able to create this kind of attention grabbing graphics for any platform. Now you are getting access to thousands of templates with Graphydo, and also you are actually getting cleared outreach emails that you can actually use to reach out. You are getting access to so many resources that you will need. You are even getting access to step-by-step video tutorials. Now you are going to be able to edit your templates using a well-known tool which is called Canva. This is a design tool. Unfortunately, Canva comes with a few free templates. The ones that are pretty cool that you would really want to use, you would have to pay for them, and not just that, you are going to have to pay monthly fees. But Graphydo is actually giving you access to graphic templates in their thousands, which goes for just a one-time fee, and then you can actually customize them, upload them, customize them using this online tool called Canva, without having to pay monthly fees or without having to pay for them. And Canva is very easy to use, very easy to customize. You can manage those templates, you can customize those templates, and you can basically, turn them into, whatever it is you want to use them for. For example, if you go to marketplaces like Fiverr is a marketplace where people offer services and actually get paid for them. So apart from being able to use this to drive traffic from any platform, you can actually go to Fiverr, offer this as a service, and get paid for that. So if you type social media content manager, you are going to see how much people are charging to create content, graphics, in different niches, up to 30 niches. You are going to be able to, you can see how much people are charging. This is $200, $225, $65, $220, and there are so many opportunities you can actually use with Graphydo to generate, consistent revenue income for yourself. So I'm going to let you see how this works in a short while, but right now I'm going to go through the custom bonuses that I'm giving you to get you even better results with Graphydo. Now, bonus number one, you are going to be getting access to a cloud-based software that allows you to automatically create your own custom ebooks that you can use. You can add your own affiliate links into these ebooks. Not just that, you are getting access to done for you funnels you can use to build your list while selling these ebooks, or even giving them away as lead magnets. Now, these funnels, people will need to give you their contacts, their email addresses, before they get redirected to your ebook, and then you are going to be building your list with all these contacts, and also they end up clicking on your books, opening them up, clicking on links inside your ebooks, and they end up going to make purchases. You get commissions just for that. All you need to do is basically select the content from the done for you content and add your affiliate links, and one click create your own custom ebooks. Bonus number two, you are getting access to another cloud-based software with self-updating traffic pulling content in different niches. We're talking about make money online, affiliate marketing, crypto, NFTs. We are talking about freelancing, blogging. You are going to be getting access to self-updating content, meaning you don't have to write this content first of all, and also you don't have to update this content. Everything is done for you. All you need to do is plug in your affiliate links. You are getting access to also high converting product reviews to plug in your affiliate links to custom affiliate marketing funnels you can customize for practically any purpose to build your list and to promote any affiliate offer. Bonus number 3, you are getting access to the traffic pull software, giving you done for you bonus page templates. You can pick from any of the templates and also select any of the done for you bonuses to create your own bonus pages in less than 1 minute. Plus, you also get access to free traffic from the inbuilt free traffic rotator in the dashboard of the software, which is completely cloud-based. Bonus number 4, you are getting access to another set of cut-out transparent background images that you can use to create professional graphic designs. These images have no background, meaning you can just pick them up, like this lady now go and put her in, on another background, maybe in a yard, in an office, and then you can actually create professional graphic designs from, a bunch of cutout images that do not have background, meaning their background is just transparent, so you can go and place them on any background to create professional graphic designs. Bonus number 5, you are getting access to PowerPoint video templates. Now, Graphydo gives you access to graphic templates, but here you are going to be getting access to PowerPoint video templates that you can also customize to generate videos, MP4 videos that you can also use on social media and you can use for any video project. Also, bonus number 6, you are getting access to cloud-based lead generation software, and this allows you to promote any affiliate offers. Now, you are getting access to funnels, done for you funnels that you don't have to pay monthly fees for, completely free as bonus number 6. You are getting access to done for you landing pages that you can customize, allows you to build your list because people will need to give you their email addresses before they get redirected to your affiliate link or to any lead magnet that you're giving away. You're getting access to squeeze pages, from done for you templates that you can easily customize to create your own campaigns. And of course, bonus number 7, you're going to be getting access to training where I'm going to be showing you how to create your own affiliate website, how to create your own e-commerce website, how to create your own blog with WordPress without writing a single line of code. And again, you can still go to marketplaces like Fiverr, charge people hundreds to thousands of dollars for creating professional websites for their businesses without writing a single line of code. You are going to find out exactly how to do that in this training. And also bonus number 8, you are going to be getting access to all the vendor bonuses that the vendor has given to me to give to you to get you the best results with Graphydo. Now, what you need to do to lock in all these bonuses is click on any of the red buttons on this bonus page. If you click on any of these red buttons, it's going to take you to the sales page of Graphydo, where you're going to be able to pick it up and we are going to be getting full information also. So here it says start your own profitable social media agency and tap into the $200 billion market right from your home. The world's #1 social media agency toolkit for unlimited clients in 33 plus hot business niches with 2,700 plus highly engaging done for you templates. No technical skills required, no age barrier, no design skills, no monthly fees. So feel free to come check out the sales page in your own time. Once this goes live 11 a.m. On the 14th of November, and then you are going to be able to pick up Graphydo right here on this sales page. Talking about the pricing right now, and then I'm going to let you see how this works. Front end goes for a one-time fee of $24.96, which is pretty cool. There are some optional upgrades like the Pro version and the Elite version. So that's my review of Graphydo. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comment section below. Stay tuned right now for the demo.
Hello fella, this is James Smith on behalf of Team Graphydo. And in this video, I'm going to show you Graphydo, a complete social media agency toolkit that helps you to serve unlimited clients. Creating high-quality content for social media is a highly challenging task, and especially if you have no expertise in design and copywriting. But with Graphydo, it is super easy and fast. Graphydo helps you to create professional posts for any business in less than 20 seconds. You just need to log into the dashboard, select the business categories, select the template as per your need, change text, image, add your own logo, and download. Not just that, go to captions and hashtag category and get the right captions and hashtag for your post, and you are done. With Graphydo, you can up and running your social media agency within an hour. Go to marketplace listings from your dashboard. We have already created the services and divided into beautiful sections. So you just have to choose the service you want to start with and download its banner. Then go to your Fiverr account. You would need to copy the title, tag, and description from our dashboard. Once you copy the title, paste it on Fiverr. Then copy the description and paste it into the description box. Add the downloaded banner to your Fiverr account. And congratulations, your account is ready. Similarly, you can list your services on another marketplace like Upwork and Freelancer. Or you can list the services even on your own website. Graphydo is the #1 platform to earn a passive income. We can't personally be there for you or do the work for you, but we can guarantee that we have done everything in our power to make Graphydo the best platform to manage social media and charge clients every single month. And the best part is you are getting Graphydo at a low one-time price only today. So do not leave this opportunity. We will shift to a monthly fee after the first 100 customers. Looking forward to seeing you inside.